Hello बच्चों, we have a question. The question says prove that z1 mod of z1 plus z2 whole square is equal to mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square if z1 by z2 is purely imaginary. So this is the question. Let us solve this question. Before that, we'll see the key concept that will be used to solve this question. Key concept. See, one thing that we must know while solving this question is mod of z1 plus z2 whole square can be written as z1 plus z2 into mod of z1 plus mod of z2. This is an important relationship which we must know in order to solve this question. Now we can move ahead with the solution of the question. So we'll take the LHS here. LHS says z1 mod of z1 plus z2 whole square is equal to z1 square mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square. This is given. Okay. Now from the key concept we can write that z1 plus z2 mod of z1 plus z2 whole square can be written as z1 plus z2 into z1 bar plus z2 bar. Bar is nothing but the complement of complex numbers z1 and z2. Okay, which is equal to z1 square mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square. Now let us use the distributive property to multiply these two. So we have z1 into z1 bar plus z1 into z2 bar plus z2 into z1 bar plus z2 into z2 bar is equal to z1 whole mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square. Now z1 into z1 into z1 bar is nothing but z1 mod z1 whole square. Similarly इसको भी हम लिख सकते हैं as mod z2 square. Okay, z2 into z2 bar is mod z2 square plus we have z1 dot z2 bar plus z2 into z1 bar is equal to mod z1 whole square plus mod z2 square. Mod z1 square cancel, mod z2 square cancel. What we are getting is z1 dot z2 bar plus z2 to z1 bar is equal to 0. Now what we'll do is divide the whole equation by z2 into z2 bar. Let us divide the whole equation by z2 into z2 bar. So what we will get? z1 into z2 bar divided by z2 into z2 bar plus z2 into z1 bar divided by z2 into z2 bar is equal to 0. So you can see z2 bar and z2 bar will get cancelled. We get z1 plus z1 upon z2 plus z1 upon z2 bar. If, see, this is a complex number, z1 by z2 is a complex number. If I consider z1 by z2, which is a complex number, as x plus iota y, this implies z1 upon z2 bar on both will be equal to, this will be complement of this one, so it will be x plus x minus iota y. z1 bar upon z2 bar is z2 bars x minus iota y. So let us put these values and let us see what we get. X plus iy plus x minus iy. Iy gets cancelled. We are getting, which is equal to 0. We are getting 2x is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0. I'm solving it here. X equals to 0 means real part of z1 plus z1 upon z2 is equal to 0, because x is the real part. Real part is 0. It means this implies z1 by z2 is purely imaginary, is a purely imaginary complex number. So this is what we had to prove, which we have proved now. z1 upon z2 is a purely imaginary complex number. I hope this solves your question. Thank you so much.